Okay, everybody, trading with you here on a Tuesday. Had a heck of a day going so far. Liking it, 12,300, 3,900 in losses. This shouldn't be this much. I hate my ratio, my average win to my average loss. That came because I got slippage on one sale. That one right there, largest losing trade of that 3,900. One of them was 2,950. I got out at 1,000, and it just wouldn't get out. And so you can go back and watch those videos. I'm so pissed off about that. Excuse my language. I'm clean on my trade here, but I'm paying so much money to make sure I have low latency for this high frequency trading, and then it's the NQ that makes no difference. That makes no sense to me. But anyway, 7 losses out of 231 trades. My ratio is 79.4% today. I put 64.99 in the bank, and just trading in this tournament. And so anyway, just want to give you guys an update. I'm looking to take a trade here. So let's see what's going to happen. We've been selling off all day. I think I just missed that one, but let's go ahead and take it anyway. Little trade right here. I'm going to try to just take out a little bit. There's 200. There's 150, 300, 150. I'm going to take green, see green in a second. 200. I'm going to wait for a second. 200 again. All right, went ahead and took that out right there. I'm going to take another one as soon as we get an imbalance. So we're playing this the Grok Scalp, which is the Bookmaps volume pressure, and trying to get us some trades in and out here. Let's wait until we get more of an imbalance. Off the top of that linear regression channel has worked like a champ. Boom, boom, boom. Since we're in a downtrend on a short time frame, well, overall we're in an uptrend. Market's healthy, but today for day trading we're in a downtrend, and so I'm going to just keep this going. 77. Oh man, that showed me as a loss on that one. I thought $100 winner. It's okay. We're going to get some momentum going here in a second. Looking for the shorts. So let's see if we get a pullback into our range, and then we'll go from there. See if we can get a pullback into that range. Yeah, that definitely scored me as a loss on that. The slippage today has been crazy. I guess because it's selling so fast. That's a second slippage issue that I had. I'll still take it. 77.5% win ratio. 12,300 wins, 4,100 losses. That's how you get 77.5%. And then had that one big loss slippage. I got out when the screen said $1,000 on my flatten button. As y'all will go back and watch those videos, it got me out at $2,950. Even the $1,000 is more than my 500 I'm looking at, but because it was so volatile, I gave it a little mental room, and then that mental room turned into 3 times that mental room. Hadn't been bit like that in a while. Less that one, we'd be up, $7,000, but that's okay. That's the way it goes. First your money and second your clothes. I'm going to get you guys another trade here. Let's see if we can get some buyers come in and run it up to the top of that channel. Coming back out of lunch. It's 1:43 New York time. So let's see if the guys want to take back over as bulls. So the bulls, walk upstairs and bears jump out the window. So when you're trending down on the day, it's really easy to scalp the downswings. But I need this to be a massive amount of volume here for us to really get in here and do any good. And when I say about that, I mean an imbalance here on your volume pressure. This is your Grok scale, your AI. So Grok scalps. So I set it up. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to watch it real close. Let's try to get $7,000 on the day, and after commissions and after losses. Hopefully you can stay with me 3 minutes into the video. Hope we can stay here in this video and make us a trade. Not going to force it. You got to wait for your signals. Right now we're on top of all the moving averages. This is really a chop city for most traders, including me normally. But let me turn that off. I don't want that on. Close that out. And so anyway, pretty overbought here, or mid-range here. Let's see if it's going to have a rollover. It's been rolling over. That's basically been the rollover spot on this down sell last 15 minutes or so. I'm going to wait for it here. I'm on the button. Let's make sure we get some real spikes here. Don't want it to trickle down because it can swing you out. See what I mean? You want to have about a 3 million imbalance. 3 million, let's say this is 8 and this is 5, then that's a no-brainer short. We're at the top of that channel. Let's see if it holds again. Spiking above that channel. It's just a 30-second. Let's see what we look like on a 5. 5 minutes, just a little sideways. Still getting to the top of that channel below VWAP. We're going to trade on the 30s, though, because the impulse is set up for 30-second charts here. Okay for the market to go up. I'm just not going to take it in a short-term downturn. You know, we had this spike here, a little overshoot. Here we go here. Let's see if we get an imbalance. If we get an imbalance, we're going to take it. Here comes the sellers. I'm not biased. So I'm going to wait for that about 3 million disparity. I don't want to get on a trickle down. Trickle downs can be easily met the other way, right? Can be easily met the other way with a trickle down. We want to see the buyers come in and take control. We got a twin tower setting up here. A lot of these twin towers have failed. And these little tops of these two candles that are equal bodies have been failing. I'm going to go ahead and take it right there. See what happens. Top of that channel, I always take these. Not working out right now. It could be a triple top. We're going to go whatever we got to go. We got enough money made today to withstand a little bit of downturn. I'm on the button watching it. I can't DCA y'all because can't DCA, so we have to just ride it out here. I'm pretty sure that we should just sell off here a little bit. Going to get out of the way for it for now. That hurt. That hurt. Don't like those. Don't like those. Should have took it at 500, but let's wait till we get it. We're going to wait till another clear signal. Going to wait till a clear signal. We had 2 million imbalance there, and I should have waited. Got a little bit of a flag forming here. It's okay. Let's wait till we get something, and we'll see what we can make some hay today. All right, that's the way it goes. First your money, and second your clothes. See what happens. Made a pretty good play back here on this impulse down. Just trickling right now. Let's see who wants to take control over this. Let's see who wants to take control. Let's go and take a look at our 5. I'm waiting. Still Chop City. 3 5s bouncing off the 20 EMA. See if we can get through that 20 EMA. You break the 20, we might can run back to the VWAP. Got to always take it when you see it. You see the pops, you take the pops. If you can get a little money out of this, might be the one. Just taking out a small scalp. I need those small scalps to be bigger than those losses, don't we? Don't like that. Might be just a pump and dump. Draw a trend line. I'm still going down. Come to sellers. I'm going to take it. Accelerating to the downside, y'all. Take out that 600. Wasn't as big as the momentum change I wanted, so basically got back our losses there. Almost got back our losses. Let's wait for this to be the real deal, and then we'll take it. Taking it right there. It's a breakdown of the previous candle's low. I'm just doing that on a very short scalp situation here. See green, take green. Buyers came in against me. I'm going to ride this one out because it could not break that trend line. See what happens here. Could not break that trend line. Lower low there. Bounce right back. Lost our volume. Stabbing at it, trying to get some big money into this pot for this tournament. $52.90 on the day after commissions. See if we go away here. Top of the linear regression channel. So this is a great place to short. I wish I'd got it right at the top, but that's okay. Let's just see if we get anybody stepping in here. We're just talking about on a small scale here. On the 5, remember, we're beating up on the 5 minute. We're beating up against that 20 EMA. Got to cut this video off. It's at 10 minutes. I'll be right back for the next video.